Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for Grade 1 Math. All the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. And then you have to select Math from the subject tab. Scroll down to Grade 1 Math and then click on View All Lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter Understand Subtraction. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I am on Grade 1 Math. Chapter we know right now is Understand Subtraction. Let's just start with the first lesson. Subtract with pictures numbers up to 10. Okay, 3 take away 2. So we are given 3 blocks. We need to subtract 2. So we have 3 green blocks. 2 of them are crossed out. You need to count ones that are not crossed out. 3 take away 2 is 1. Got it? Let's just start with the tens. 3 take away 2. So we have 3 green blocks. 2 of them are crossed out. You need to count the ones that are not crossed out. So only one of them is not crossed out. So the correct option is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Four take away 4. You have 4 pans. They all are crossed out. You need to count the ones that are not crossed out. So 4 take away 4 is 0, right? Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. Two take away one. So we have two strawberries. One of them are crossed out, so we are left with only one. So two take away one is one. Option number 4 is the correct option. Got it? Four take away two. So which is the correct option? So the ones that are not crossed out are 2. So 4 take away 2 is 2. Five take away 3. Yes, that is 2. Option number 3 is the correct option. Two take away 2. That is 0. Subtracting a number from itself always makes 0. One take away 1. Zero it is. Four take away 1 is 3. Count the ones that are not crossed out. So 3. 4 take away 1. So which is the correct option? That is 4 take away 1 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson. The next lesson is subtraction sentences, numbers up to 10. The next lesson, the next one is which subtraction sentence does the picture show? So we need to find the subtraction sentence now, right? So we have four apples. Three of them are crossed out, so that we four take away three, and we end up with one. So option number four is the correct option. That is four take away three is one. Let's just start with the test question. So two balls we have, and two of them is two take away two, and we are left with zero. So the correct option is option number A is the correct option. That is two take away two is zero. Right subtraction sentence does the picture show? So which is the correct option? So we have four apples. Oh no, I think bell pepper four, and three of them are crossed out. So option number D is the correct option. That is four take away three equals. So we have four pieces of puzzle. They all are crossed out. Option number D is the correct option. That is four take away four is zero. Which subtraction sentence does the picture show? So we have four of the cars. Two of them are crossed out, and we are left with two. So option number D is the correct option. That is two. Which subtraction sentence does this picture show? Yes, that is 5 take away 3 is 2, option number. And got it. Okay, so which subtraction sentence does the picture show? So which is the correct option? We have total 5 pants, right? Two of them are crossed out. We are left with 3. So that is, if take away 2 equals 3, the correct option is option number. Three take away 1 equals 2, option number. C is the correct option. Option number C is the correct option. That is 3 take away 1. Which subtraction sentence is which subtraction sentence does the picture show? Option B is the correct option. 4 take away 1 is 3. Correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Subtraction sentences using number lines. Which subtraction sentence does the model show? So start with the greater number we have. Hold on. So 7. You go back 1 digit, so you end up on correct option is 7 take away 1 equals 6. Let's just start with the test questions. So you started with 7, you go back 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that at 3. So the correct option is 7. Take away. The option number A is the correct option. That is A. That is, you started at 6 times, so end up on 4. So option number D is the correct option. That is 6 take away 2 is 4. Which subtraction sentence does the model show? So you started at 9, you go back 2 digits, and you end up on 7. So 9 take away 2 is 9 take away 2 is 7. Option number A, correct option. Okay, start with 7. Go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You go back 5. So you end up on 2. 7 take away 5 is 2. Option number D is the correct option. Which action sentence does the model show? That is 6 take away 1 equals 5. Option number C is the correct option. So you start with 7. 7 take away 1 is 6. Option number B is the correct option. That is 7 take away 2 is 5. C is the correct option. Which subtraction sentence does the model show? It is 8 take away. Option number C is the correct option. Take away 1 is 4. Option number B is the correct option. So you started with 9. You go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Take away 8 is 1. Option number correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Today, on to next lesson. So the last lesson is subtract 0 and all. So let's just start with the lesson. One takeaway one, subtracting a number from itself always makes a zero, whatever number it is, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, one takeaway zero. 1 take away 0 is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Four. Yes, 4 it is. 4 take away 0 is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. So 4 take away 0 is 4. Very good. That is 5 takeaway 0 is 5. Option number 2 is the correct. 3 takeaway 0 is 3 takeaway 0 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. So 2 takeaway 2 is yes, 0 it is. 2 takeaway 2 is 0. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. We were working on his understanding. The lessons we have covered today are subtract with pictures, subtraction sentences numbers up to 10, subtraction sentences using number lines, numbers up to 10, and subtract 0 and all. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with lessons, you can simply click on the live tutors are available there to help you or write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all of your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusion if you have any. No questions?